I'm Asif Farouk of Finextra. I'm here at the Wincor Nixdorf International Management Seminar 2013 in Rome, and I'm joined by Eckard Heidloff, CEO of Wincor Nixdorf. Thank you for joining us. Now, there's been a lot of talk at this year's seminar about the physical retail branch. I wanted to ask your opinion on how this is changing and what's in future for the retail branch as well.
What we are seeing here that retail banking is really one of the key assets banks have, and they focus on retail banking. What all retail banks then have in special, they have to manage the channels. And what all see is there is a need for branches, but for special form of branches that they all are in a process of changes focusing on the customer needs, and then have to give the right answers in form of technology, in form of very important service to the customers. And servicing the customer means that they have to offer more services on one side, but have to do it cost efficient.
Now, we've also seen a growing focus on software, and I wanted to ask you, what does this mean for Wincor Nixdorf?
If I said that they have to think about how should the branch look like, there will be different formats, and also if you see more global acting banks, each country has special requirements. This means being more cost efficient, banks have to focus on much more standards. They have to then base this on standard software. They have to find the right way to do customization, but this should be very limited. And that's what we are seeing is the only answer banks have, offering more service on one side. Cost efficiency means that IT will help them a lot to get at the end on the cost per transaction what they need to have a very positive balance sheet.
Now, Eckard, the changes you've just mentioned, what does this mean for Wincor Nixdorf?
Wincor Nixdorf has changed their portfolio elements dramatically in the last years. Being a very strong manufacturer of hardware, we have invested heavily into software. We know really what solutions are needed. We have based on modules and offering for all these formats of different branches. Our software is multi-vendor, multi-channel open. And what we believe is these standards, which we can have in our portfolio, world-class hardware, world-class software, having the right combination of this in offering services, this can help really banks to get that what they need, more customers and less costs.